Hey there, and welcome to Sewport. My name is Anastasia, and you have just joined a demonstration video to the complete guide of Sewport in under 10 minutes. In this video, we'll walk you through the platform so that you can gain the maximum value from what we offer. Let's start with the most important section of Sewport, which will answer your main question: how to create your first project and start receiving quotes from manufacturers. In the navigation bar, click on New Quote Request. First, select the category of the project, add a project name, and click on whether you have produced before or not. In the next block, you can add the number of styles, quantities per each style, and the sizes you wish to produce. In the last block, you can describe your project with more details. Click on Next. In the next window, you can select services you need help with. First section is finalizing my idea/spec. Click on the services you need and it will be added to your project. In the white window, you can include more detailed information about sketches, ideas, and everything you consider adequate. Second section is sewing patterns. Click on the services you need and it will be added to your project. In the white window, you can include more detailed information about the types of patterns you want to create or whether you have paper patterns and you need them digitized/graded. Third section is sampling. Add the information about the sample you need, the type of fabric you want manufacturers to use, and the date you need it by. Fourth section is fabrics and trims. You can add the information about the fabrics and trims that you need. Fifth section is printing and embroidery. If you need printing, embossing, embroidery, or any kind of printing, tick this box. Most specialists from the first block, idea/spec, will be able to help you finalize these designs as well. Last section is bulk production. Add the date you need to buy and you can discuss it further with selected manufacturers. Be sure to have your patterns completed and graded for all the sizes you want to have made. Click on Next. In the last step, you can upload files to get factories interested and informed. First, you can add a project logo. Click on the Upload. Go to the left menu and add relevant images or files to each section, and then click on Drag and Drop to upload relevant images. Click on Publish to make your project live and start receiving quotes from the manufacturers. After that, you will see a confirmation window. Also, while you wait for the offers, you can browse through the companies manually and request quotes from manufacturers directly from our search engine. Go to the header of the page and click on Browse Manufacturers. On the left side, you can select and choose the criteria you wish to apply. For example, you can select the services you need, select a company type, choose the specialties that manufacturers can offer, select garment type, choose the country of manufacturers, search manufacturers by the company name, and apply minimum quantity per style. You can check the information about those companies when you click on the company name. Read about them, check what they specialize in, check their minimum order quantities, and check where they come from. From this window, click on Request a Quote, and it will take you directly to your private chat room with selected manufacturers, where you can request quotes right away, engage with them, send files, release funds, and discuss your project in more detail. Select the project you wish to receive a quote for. You will see a confirmation pop-up window and then click on Open Chat. In the chat room, on the left side, you can see all your active conversations. At the top of the conversation list, you will find an inbox filter, where you may see your unread, starred, or archived messages. The lower field is dedicated to composing messages. The small icons menu, right of the reply field, is for requesting quotes and/or releasing funds, sending information about parcels, and attaching files to this conversation. Let's learn how to request quotes from the manufacturers manually and directly from the chat room. Click on the pound symbol and in the pop-up window select Request a Quote. Confirm the information and click Send. Whenever the manufacturer is ready to send your proposal in the chat room, you will see a confirmation message. Click on Open. Review the proposal. You can decline, propose changes, or accept the proposal. If you're happy with the services and prices that manufacturer has offered, click on Accept. After you accept the proposal, you will be asked to make a payment. You can choose the preferred payment method: pay via bank transfer or pay by credit card directly on the platform. Add your credit card details and click on Confirm and Pay Now. This will notify our system to generate the invoice and the manufacturer will start the job. After the manufacturer sends you the proof of completion of the job and you're satisfied with the outcome, you can release the second part of the payment directly from the chat room. But this time, click on Release Funds. Let's take a look at account settings. Select it from the menu above. Here you can add your contact details like name, last name, phone, or change your profile visibility. You can also change your company name, change password for login, change notification settings, or if necessary, delete your account. If we take a look at notification settings, here you can control what notifications to receive through your email client. After all the changes you make on this page, don't forget to click Save. Let's take a look at your profile settings. The profile page is the face of your company, and you can customize fields to better describe your business. We strongly encourage you to be creative and take your time with this page. After you make changes, click on Finish Editing on the right side of your profile. The dashboard is an intuitive way to view vital information at a glance, like inquiries that might interest you, recently saved contacts, and recent messages. There are many features you can access through the dashboard, such as seeing your payments and invoices, editing your profile, and changing your account settings. Let's take a look at the Payments section. In the tab menu above, you can track and view your orders, select your payment methods, and view billing information. Taking a look at My Orders tab, you can view and download available invoices for your orders, check the amount, check if the payment was released to the manufacturer, and see the status of the payment. Let's check the Payment Methods tab. Here you can add your credit card information or check the details for making manual payments via bank transfer. Moving on to the final tab, here you can add your company information for invoices and user-to-user agreements. Once you're finished, click on Save. This concludes our complete guide to Sewport. We really appreciate you making it to the end of this video. Sewport is packed with features and tools to help you grow as a brand. That's why we strongly encourage you to check our FAQs and blog section for more useful tips. And remember, our customer support staff is always working around the clock to help you succeed. Thank you and welcome to Sewport.